What's up, traders? Clay here with Top One Trader. Let's get into the weekly outlook video for the week. I usually try to do this on Monday and just had so much going on. So it's Sunday. We're about to have the market open here in about 2 hours. And this past week was a lot of volatility in the market. Let's go back. Mainly it was the PPI and CPIs on Wednesdays and Thursdays. And if you remember my previous outlook video, that's exactly what I said was going to happen. So, those were some big moves in the market. And this going into the last quarter, these last couple of months, September, October, November, before Thanksgiving break, there's going to be a lot of volatility. So this week coming up, this past week we had inflation data. This week we have the FOMC. So, you always have to keep in mind inflation and then also the Fed. Those are the two big drivers, the two big factors. And, with this just insanity going on this past week, not that, the whole assassination and all that crazy stuff that happened will have anything to do with, what the Fed's going to do, their monetary policy, but it just kind of adds to the volatility of the overall market. So, we have FOMC on Wednesday, and then Thursday we have the Bank of England dropping their monetary policy, and also Bank of Japan. So a lot of monetary policy meetings this week to keep in mind. I think it's going to be a big deal. So take a look at the charts. The dollar has continued its weakness. Aussie has been pretty strong, right? So I don't know if it's going to happen, depending on what happens with the Fed. If they lower interest rates, the dollar's done. And I know Trump has been pushing for Powell to lower interest rates, and that's going to be, the topic of discussion, whether or not they will this upcoming Wednesday, or also their tone around interest rates. Are they going to be hawkish? Are they going to be dovish? So, Aussie's breaking out. We got EU and GU kind of in a holding pattern. And NZUSD, I talked about this. We failed to break this low right here. And you can see we've made a nice rebound into bullish territory, right? So, bullish for New Zealand, I should say. So, if we look at the dollar index, we're kind of hanging on right here. And there's a big possibility if the Fed is dovish, meaning, against interest rates, or, lowering interest rates, anything of that nature, then I think we're going to see the bottom fall out on the dollar this week. Dollar yen, kind of in a holding pattern, but same deal, right? So we're going sideways here and a nice, what looks like a distribution. If we get that dollar weakness, that's with the catalyst of the Fed, man, it's going to be game over. And same deal with gold. Gold is the last thing to look at, and it just in outer space now. So, which is very interesting and kind of a haunting precursor of potential things to come, and just the global sentiment of the safety of everything overall. So let's have a great week, everybody. We appreciate y'all. We got some cool stuff dropping with Top One, especially rolling into this last quarter. So we appreciate y'all. Good luck. Happy trading. Peace.